There's a real estate market you've probably never heard of, and it's where the real money is being made. Not flipping homes, not renting out a spare bedroom. We're talking about the deals that private equity firms, hedge funds, and wealthy insiders have been quietly cashing in on for decades. And now, for the first time, investors like you can get a seat at the table. Now, when most people think of real estate investing, they imagine buying a house, fixing it up, finding tenants, dealing with repairs. Maybe you collect some rent. Maybe. But that's not where the serious money is being made. The real wealth is flowing into commercial real estate. Think apartment complexes, office buildings, data centers, logistics facilities, self-storage, even boutique hotels. These assets generate steady, predictable income, often with 8%, 10%, even 15% or more projected returns. And while stocks rise and fall, these projects are backed with physical, cash-producing property. The catch? Well, until recently, deals like this were completely out of reach unless you had millions to invest, or were part of a private fund. Everyday investors were locked out of this, but that's starting to change. Enter EquityMultiple. It's a platform built to unlock these high-quality real estate opportunities for accredited investors. Now, you can tap into deals that were once reserved for institutions and insiders and basically invest in them yourself. So with EquityMultiple, you're not buying some vague REIT on the stock market. You're actually buying specific professional underwritten deals backed by hard assets and run by experienced sponsors. So you can invest in individual properties, diversified funds, or even short-term notes, depending on your risk appetite and your goals. This isn't guesswork or gambling. These are carefully vetted real estate projects in high-demand markets, often with preferred returns, monthly cash flow, and upside potential at exit. In other words, passive income now, bigger gains later. And it's all backed by physical real estate, properties with income, equity, and real value behind them. If you're tired of stock market volatility, if you're looking for smart diversification with strong return potential, or if you simply want to invest where the wealthy have actually been investing all along, EquityMultiple is a platform that you should explore today. Click the link in the description below to view current offerings and see how you can start building long-term wealth through commercial real estate without being a landlord and without needing millions to get started.